Guys, I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to install Bluestacks on a Windows computer. It's pretty easy. So go to bluestacks.com or Google it, download Bluestacks. We're going to save this file, and then when it pops up, we are going to click on it and have the, we'll show it in folder, and then we'll go ahead and just double click, make sure it's starting to install. Yes. Install now. It's going to download. And so the reason that we're doing this is so that we can basically run Toast's kiosk or Toast's point of sale machine or KDS through our Windows computer. So Bluestack basically is a Android emulator, and it's as if you had a tablet, like a Android tablet, on your computer basically. Okay, so you're going to click on My Games. We're actually going to use a browser to download the Toast app. It's a special, I guess, a hidden link. So you need to type in www.toasttab.com, and it's this one /link/apk. You're going to notice this thing is downloading, even though it doesn't look like anything's happened. And then when this pops up, you click open. And it's going to ask you if you want to install, and you click yes, install. Alright, now since it's done, click done, and we can, I guess we can go back. And now you see this Toast POS. You're going to click on it, and it looks just like you were at the store. Put in my email address and stuff. Doing CT. And if we don't have a number activated for you, you have to use your card, then we'll go ahead and make sure that's activated. But I have a number. Alright, let's try it again. I usually just say Bluestacks O. Let's just say we want to make it a quick order screen. You can use any printer, you're just not going to be printing at all. Doesn't matter. And it does force you to clock in if you're going to use it. So now I can test like menu stuff. I mean, if I wanted to go in here and act like I was a server, I could do all these things and place orders, test modifiers if I was changing anything, put in a gift card, which is going to be a future video that I'm going to do for you guys. Another good thing would be, say you were testing the kiosks, then yeah, you could see if you're doing any updates, if they worked out, and how this kiosk looks. Also, you can see how busy things are going, I guess you could say, in the kitchen. If you were expediter, and yeah, you can see all the tickets that were coming. So there's a lot of cool things that you can do from home, I guess. And yeah, it requires you to download Bluestacks and then install Toast to be able to do it. Alright, thank you guys very much. Take care.